Good morning, students. Today I will discuss now section B. Okay, and section B is there, parabola is there. Okay, I will discuss now today section B. And you all of you know there section A is compulsory, and either attempt section B or section C. Section C index numbers are there, and section B parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. But your syllabus for half yearly syllabus only parabola is there. Okay, now look at here. I am discussing parabola today. Now parabola is there. Here first you consider, say one fixed point is there. Fixed point, suppose taking one fixed point and one straight line, fixed straight line is there. Okay, now in this plane one point, suppose I am taking one moving point is there. Suppose I am taking here moving point. Okay, a point moves in such a way that the distance from the fixed point and the distance from the straight line is always same. Suppose this is the fixed point. Okay, S. Now this is a fixed straight line. Suppose this is a straight line. Suppose L1, so suppose K, K1 and K2. This is the fixed straight line. Okay. Now P is moving point. Okay, and the point P moves in such a way that the distance from the fixed point and the distance from the straight line is always same. So the distance from the straight line is Pm, and the distance from the fixed point, suppose SP. Okay, then Pm equal to SP. Okay, Pm equal to SP. So you can write here SP by Pm equal to 1. SP by Pm equal to 1. So this ratio SP by Pm is called eccentricity. Keep in mind this point, the distance Sm is to Pm. Okay, the ratio between Sm and Pm is always 1. Both are equal here. So here Sm equal to Pm. So this ratio is called eccentricity. Okay, denoted by the symbol E equal to 1, where E is called eccentricity. Okay, eccentricity. Keep in mind. Then the locus of the point P. The locus of the point P is called here one curve is formed. So this curve is known as parabola. Okay, a point P moves in such a way that the distance from the fixed point and the distance from the fixed straight line is always same. Then the ratio is called eccentricity, and the path covered by the point is called parabola. Look at here. Suppose the point is P here. Okay, the point P is here. Okay, suppose the point moves in, suppose the distance is here. Suppose so this distance is here. Look at here. Again, suppose the point is here. So this distance here. Both are same. Suppose you keep it this distance here. So this and this here. Okay, suppose the point is here, then this distance and always same. The locus, see, look at just a point, this point, this is the locus. Okay, so see, look at here. So this is the curve. Okay, so this curve is known as parabola. Okay, this curve is known as parabola. The fixed point, that is S. So right, S is here. Focus. I will discuss that. Focus. The fixed straight line. Suppose K1, the line K1, K2, the line K1, K2 is called, the straight line K1, K2 is called directrix. Okay, or directrix in one take. Directrix. Okay, and the curve, this point P, the point P is here, moving point. Okay, and the curve, this curve is known as, the curve is known as parabola curve. Okay, this is parabola. Now look at the board. Again discussing. See, suppose here, what I was showing, see, that this is the fixed point. Suppose P on moving point is there, okay, and this distance SP and here PM is always same, right? SP equal to PM, okay. Then the locus of the point, suppose this is the point P of XY, okay. Then the locus of the point P, the chord is there. This is it. Now from here, drawn perpendicular line is there from S. So this line, X is X, suppose X dash. So this point I suppose A. But the curve, just a tangent draw here. YX is a tangent. Okay. On the curve here at the point A, this is the tangent. So this is called suppose Y. That is Y axis, YO, Y dash. Okay, YO, Y dash. This is Y axis, this is X axis. Now we have to consider, so this distance, suppose AS equal to A. Then, so all of you know the coordinate of S equal to A comma 0. Okay, A comma 0. Now, if this is A, so this is also A, but this coordinate will be minus A comma 0. Suppose we give name, suppose this is Z, okay, and this is A, distance, okay. Now, draw here on perpendicular line, you have to draw perpendicular. Suppose this is N. So, if the coordinate PBXY, then we can say PN equal to Y and AN equal to X. So, SN we can write here, SN, X minus A. Okay. So, this is A. Whole is X, so this type is Sn, the distance Sn is X minus A. Now look at here, so this is right angle triangle, okay, this is perpendicular right angle triangle. So you can write here SP square equal to Sn square plus Pn square, okay, SP square equal to Sn square plus Pn square. So SP we know Pm, so we can write Pn square equal to Sn means X minus A whole square, Pm Y square. So Pn means, look at here, NZ, so this is A, this distance is A. So this part total will be X plus A whole square equal to x minus a whole square plus y square. Okay. Now after simplification we can write here, so x plus a whole square minus x minus a whole square equal to y square. So here y square equal to 4ax, y square equal to here 4ax. Okay, y square equal to 4ax. So this is the standard equation of parabola. So this is the standard equation of parabola. Okay, so y square equal to, very important, y square equal to 4ax, that is a, the distance here as is a, that coordinate of focus s, the point s is called the focus of parabola. Okay, so this will be focus, coordinate of focus, that is a 0, a comma 0. Okay, so this is the equation of parabola, standard equation. If, so look at here, the curve is positive direction of x axis. Okay, this one positive direction of x axis. If the curve is that side, negative direction also yes, it may be negative direction, that is y square equal to minus 4ax. I'll discuss. Wait, see. So we can say here standard equation. Okay, I am writing here. See, so standard equation is there, y square equal to 4ax. This is the standard equation. From here we are getting first one, focus axis, positive direction of x axis. So right here axis, that is positive direction of x axis. Okay, so this is a, here a is origin, coordinate of a. So right, coordinates of a, that is 0, 0. Here 0, 0 is called vertex, origin, that is a, coordinate a is 0, 0. So vertex is here a. Okay, and focus, right, focus is a comma 0. Okay, now here directrix, look at this directrix. Okay, x, that is x equal to minus a. So equation of directrix, right, equation of directrix, x equal to minus a. See, look at here, that side minus a comma 0 here. So the point of intersection of directrix and x is minus 0. So x equal to minus a, that is x plus a equal to 0. Okay, x plus a equal to 0. Now students, keep in mind another thing. If a point, suppose the coordinate is a t square twice a t. Okay, see, a t square twice a t. Okay, so this coordinate represents the curve. One curve is there, which one? Y square equal to 4ax. See, suppose this is y, so 2a t equal to y, so t equal to y by 2a. Now t square equal to y square, 4a square, this value put, this is x equal to t square, the t square value you put, you will get y square to 4ax. Okay, y square to 4ax. Okay, so y square equal to 4x, this is the standard equation of parabola. Axis is there, positive direction of x axis, and coordinate, that is of a will be 0, 0, that is a is called here vertex, focus a comma 0, equation of directrix x plus a equal to 0, and t point in parabola, that is t point means parametric form, that is at square comma twice at. Okay, so with the help of at square twice at, we will get y square root 4ax. Okay, now next one. Wait. See, suppose, look at here, y square equal to minus 4ax. So this can be, if you write x-axis, y-axis, this x dash, y dash. So y is equal to minus 4x. So negative side of x-axis. Okay. So here, see, the curve is like that. This one. So here is directrix is there. This is the focus. So minus a comma 0 focus. So this will be what a comma equal to 0. So here focus, that is axis is there, negative direction of x-axis, negative direction. Focus minus a comma 0. Directrix a 0. Okay. And one thing, remember, latus rectum, that is 4a. 4a, so keep in mind, latus rectum is there. Okay. Latus rectum, the length is, keep in mind, 4a. Okay. See, if the point is here, any point, see, look at here. So SP, we know PM. Okay. So if the distance is there, look at here. So this is A. This also, this is twice A also. Okay. PM also, this also twice. And latus rectum means no. Keep in mind, this part, a line passing through the focus and perpendicular to the axis. See, you put here one part line, look at here. This is latus rectum, this line. Okay. So which passes through the focus and perpendicular to the axis. So if this is A, so we know this is A, this is also A. So this will be twice A. Okay, this is twice A. And this is also twice A. Similar way, this part also twice A. So total length will be 4A. So length of latus rectum is 4A. Keep in mind, length of latus rectum 4A. So here focus minus A comma 0. Focus minus A comma 0. Okay. And equation of directrix, equation here x equal to a, that is x minus a equal to 0. X minus a equal to 0. Okay. Now again, if the positive direction of y-axis is there, positive direction of x-axis, look at here, positive direction of x-axis. See, so the curve is there, this one, positive direction x-axis. So here 0A, so this part is there, directrix. Okay. Focus. So here equation will be x square equal to 4ay. Okay. X square equal to 4ay. Focus 0a, directrix here, so this will be 0 minus a. So here y plus a equal to 0. Y plus a equal to 0. Okay. Again, similar way, negative direction of y-axis, then what to do? Negative direction of y-axis. Okay. So negative direction of y-axis, like that. See, this is the curve. So here focus is here 0 minus a. This part is directly 0 a. Keep in mind 0 a. Okay. So equation will be here x square equal to minus 4ay. Okay. Now here all vertex 0 0 is there. If suppose vertex alpha beta, okay, and the axis parallel to x axis or parallel to y axis, then what is the equation of parabola? Look at here. Suppose, look at here, this is the coordinate axis, x axis, x dash, y, y dash. The parabola axis is vertex alpha beta, okay, and if x is parallel to x axis, then what is the equation of parabola? Look at here. Suppose here this is vertex alpha beta, okay, this is alpha beta, this is the focus, this is the focus. We know this will be a comma 0, but here is this is origin 0 0, okay, oh 0 0 is there. So then this part will be, we know, so this is alpha, this is beta. This is alpha, this is beta, okay? This is alpha, this is beta. Then this part will be a plus alpha comma beta. A plus alpha comma beta, okay? Now, so look at here. Here ordinate are same. Keep in mind. Here ordinate are same. If ordinate are same, then we know the axis parallel to x axis. So this is axis here, right, x dash, okay, so this is suppose y dash. Now look at here, y dash, so this is y. Now suppose take any point p, suppose xy. If xy is there, so we know y square equal to 4x. See, y square to 4x. Now consider y means here this part. So whole part is, this is x, this is whole part is y. If we consider this coordinate, suppose x dot dash y dash, then all of you know the equation is there. First you consider this is origin, that means this is origin you consider first, consider origin. Then we can write here y dot square equal to 4a x dot, no, general form. Y dot means here whole part minus this part. If we consider, suppose this is x dot y dot, p coordinate is there, okay. So this means this part and this one, okay. Now see, whole part is y, this is beta, so this part is y minus beta, and this part it is x minus alpha, okay. Then y minus beta whole square equal to 4a into x minus alpha. Okay, suppose x is parallel to x axis and that is vertex is given alpha beta, vertex alpha beta. Okay, then equation of parabola is there, y minus beta whole square equal to 4a into x minus alpha. Y minus beta whole square equal to 4a into x minus alpha. Keep in mind. Okay, here see, here vertex, see vertex is there, alpha beta, focus a plus alpha comma beta. Okay, and here vertex alpha beta, and lateral rectum, this is same, no change. Lateral rectum is there 4a. Okay, and the coordinates of lateral rectum, the end point of lateral rectum will be looked at here, these two parts. Okay, so all of you know, if this is a, this is twice a, so this part you can write, suppose L1, L2. Okay, then L1 coordinate is there, L1 a plus alpha, beta plus 2a, okay, and L2 is there a plus alpha, beta minus 2a. Okay, keep in mind a plus alpha, beta minus 2a. Okay, and equation of directrix is there, so this part is there, both are equal, this one. Okay, so here after this alpha minus a, so x plus a equal to alpha. Keep in mind, equation of directrix, x plus a equal to alpha. Keep in mind. Okay, similar way, if parabola is there, x is parallel to y axis, then x minus alpha whole square equal to 4a into y minus beta. Okay, see first one quadratic equation of y, second one quadratic equation of x, no? So keep in mind, if parallel to x axis, then we can write x equal to general form. Okay, quadratic equation of y, suppose ay square plus by plus c. Similarly, if coordinate is there that is parallel to y axis, then y equal to quadratic equation of x. Okay, no more today, and I'll give the study material all about learn at home. Whatever discussing here, everything will discuss here. Okay, and one thing, suppose focus is given, directrix is given, then you have to find out the equation of parabola. So SP equal to PM. Keep in mind, SP equal to PM. So general formula you can remember. Okay, suppose point x1 y1 lie on the curve or not, that is y1 square minus 4x1 greater than 0 outside, y1 square minus 4 less than 0 inside. If y1 square equal to 4x1, then on the curve. Okay, no more today. Bye.